guys, welcome back. I'm Roxanne and this is my unboxing channel. Today we are going to be doing two unboxings. I got my E.L.F. order. E.L.F. And I got my mystery bag from Ofra. Alright. So let's start with my E.L.F. order. I really like this. So I haven't actually opened it all the way up. I just opened it enough so you guys wouldn't see me struggle. So this is for my full face that I'm going to do probably tomorrow because I do have to go out tomorrow. So I decided to get the lip plumper and primer. They're 3-in-1 mascara because that looked really cool. Tried to get things that were new and different, but alright, so I got this Smooth and Set eye powder. I thought it was free, and then I looked and I noticed that I got charged for it, so whatever. So I got the liquid glitter eyeshadow in a Flirty Bird. I think I put that bite size over here, but I could be wrong. Nope, that's not it. So I do have the bite size, so I am gonna, that one last bite size. I have to look for it because I want to use that with this. So I also picked up the matte putty primer, and I think I have, it's right here. Yeah, so this is the poreless one, and I didn't much care for it, but we'll try the matte one. So then I also got the primer infused blush. Oh, and then I got this free. So this was the cool eyeliner in black. I got the hydrating camo concealer. I got a box. Oh, so this is the E.L.F. Flawless Foundation. I wonder if this is going to be my color. I gotta sneeze. Excuse me. Whew. This is pull and then it like rips halfway through. You bugger. Okay. So it's a little beige, I think, but yeah, I think it's something I can work with. Definitely. Okay. So what did I get here? I got Flawless Foundation Finish. I didn't get setting powder. Oh, that's because I have this. That's right. And I didn't get any eye primer because I do have this. And I think I put it just over here. Okay, that's gonna bug me now. What did I do with it? No, we didn't put it far. Oh! That is weird. Okay. I don't have to look for that because I don't know where I did with it. No, it was right here. I'm always moving things around and I should. Okay, so anyway, I also got this multi-chromatic stick. This is so pretty. I just could not say no to it. And let's see here. So, oh, that is so pretty. Ooh, it is so creamy. Okay, guys, don't pull it all the way out because apparently it doesn't need to be. Ooh. So, and then I got the professional kit with 12 brushes. I believe they were like 12 bucks. So, okay, so if I can find that, and Then, you know, I've got the lipsticks. And what else did I already have? Oh, I already have the lip liner. And I believe this is, yeah, the Wow Brow. Oh, that's weird. Like, what did I do with that? I also have the makeup wipes. Alright. I am going to have to... So I think these are the two I've already used. Yeah, so this one is the Very Bad. And so I have those ones close by. Alright, anyway. I will find that one tonight, and I'm going to do this tomorrow. So it's a good thing I didn't decide that I wanted to do it today, because obviously that's just not going to happen. So I will set everything aside here as much as I want to play. So I did my look today using Jeffree Star. I don't know if this look, if you guys can see, I really, really like it. Some new colors. Yeah. Oh my gosh, what did I do with that? I was keeping it in front of me forever and ever and ever, and then I decided to get rid of it, and I need it. Okay, so let's do my Ofra. Ooh, what is this? Those boxes. I'm gonna just kind of take this stuff off my hands just in case. Okay. Let's see here. Okay, I want to keep that just in case. Okay, so it says here, hello beauty, I hope you enjoy your glam as much as we enjoy making it for you. Let us know what you think or send some pictures at Graham at Ofra Cosmetic and Ofra Beauties. So they have sent some hand sanitizer, which is great because I do have to go out tomorrow. And this is Northern Lights Primer. Okay. There it is there. And there are the hand sanitizers. That's quite a bit. Like, they feel quite chompy. Alright, so here's the bag. I'm like so nervous and so excited. Hey guys, you guys can look. See? Can you see? Okay. Okay. Cleanse it off. You love taking off your... You love your glam, but you also like taking it off. 100% cotton wipes, 15 wipes. This I like. Okay. This is Makeup Fixer, a light refreshing mist that keeps makeup in place all day long. I have so many of this, so I think I've seen a few of these. Whew. Yeah, I've seen some of these. That is bright pink. Bright pink. Maybe I'll give it a try. I'm not sure. So I got banana powder. So there it is there. Okay, let's see what the last item is. Okay, so this is Ofra Highlighter Retrograde. That is so pretty. Oh, that is so pretty. I love the packaging actually on this stuff. Didn't really get any makeup. Like I got, I don't know, maybe some makeup, but it doesn't feel very makeup-y. I was hoping for an eye palette. Because like I have lots of highlighters. Do not have this but pink. Okay, so I mean, I think it was $35 and I got like $10 off on it. So I mean, it like, whatever. It's actually not that, you know, it's not that bad. You can always use makeup wipes. I'll probably either put this up for sale or put it in a giveaway, as I do have lots of, yeah. I will definitely be keeping this. I'm not even sure, like, do I really need this banana powder? I'll look it up. See, I don't think anybody's going to want this, so I might as well just keep it, or maybe I'll put it in a giveaway. I will definitely be using the testers, though. Those are nice. I do like the bag. I like how it's like, it's not zipped up at the front. So I'll probably use that because that's huge. Okay, guys. You can still get the Ofra mystery bag. I think right now, I know they have like a mystery one and then a mystery bag, and then they have a skincare one. I think. Let me just look that up. Okay. So, Ofra. Nope. I think it's still available. This is going to be such a short video. You guys are going to be like, what? You're done? You're done? Okay, let's see here. So I think these are worth like $35. Okay, so let's see here. Do you have... I wonder if it's under the sales. Guys, it's been so crazy around here today. Okay, so I can put up my code for this. Let's see if it's still here. I think these are always fun to get. I guess maybe not. I typed in mystery and it's not coming up with anything. They do have some pretty nice stuff on sale, mind you. That's just weird. Okay, so if I can find it, I'll put it down below. Otherwise, I don't think it's here. I think it's some really nice highlighters in here. Okay. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I just wanted to let you guys know that I have figured out most of the Mother's Day basket. I have posted some more giveaways and whatnot. I have gone through a lot of my stuff, and I am destashing it all. I have to go through my makeup now and find out what I have used, what I haven't used, and slowly and surely just kind of dwindle down and kind of give it away and get rid of it and sell it and home it and whatnot. So I will be busy in the next few days doing that. Tomorrow I am going back kind of to work. I'm doing an orientation. I don't know. Because we work in such a large factory, we have to make sure we're going back into something safe and secure. So we're doing that tomorrow, so I will get this video out super early to do the E.L.F. makeup. I have no idea about my Look Fantastic. It has not moved at all. So I wrote them a message saying, you know, what is going on. I don't know if you guys could see, I just have like one of the lip toppers on from Jeffree. I like it. I really like this look. I'm kind of happy I just went and did it. Sorry guys, my daughter's been sleeping in our bed and I'm just like, oh. So anyway, she's tired too, poor thing, and she just fell and hit her face. So keep an eye out tomorrow morning. I'll get up early and I'll do this and I'll get it out. And maybe tomorrow I will do another video for the giveaway, because that's just going to be all on its own. So keep an eye out for that. I hope you guys have a really great day. If you guys could share this video, like it, leave a comment below. What are you excited for me to use tomorrow? What my look will look like. Yeah, so I hope you guys have a really great day. Thanks for watching.